Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third third puzzle. Third puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper on Saturday, May the 7th, 2022. It's actually Sunday. Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, and I've told you I will solve the rest of the puzzles not in the Saturday edition because there's no extra puzzles. So it's the additional of Tuesday, May the 5th, 2022. We have two puzzles left. The first two puzzles I have solved, the 1 star and the 2 stars. And two are left, the tectonic and the binary. And it's time for the binary, yes. Binary number 4523. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and a fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes in O. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then, yeah. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. If I place number 4, the 4th O there, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are ones. Right, here we have 3 ones in this row. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Okay. Then double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Wow, without comparing, 4 minutes. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.